it's Crystal at MrsHappyHomemaker.com, and today I'm going to show you how I make my creamy coleslaw. I'm going to start off with 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I'm either a blue plate or a Duke's girl. Are y'all mayonnaise specific? Are y'all mayonnaise specific too, like I am? 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt. And I mix that together. And I actually like a little bit of ground black pepper in mine. Some people don't, but I do. All right, maybe a lot of bit of ground pepper. I like pepper. Now you can shred up 14 to 16 ounces of your own cabbage or carrots, but I'm going to use a bag of the pre-shredded. So a 14 to 16 ounce bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix. I'm going to dump that in. And mix it up. And that's all there is to it. My homemade creamy coleslaw. You'll want to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a couple of hours or overnight for all the flavors to come together. And even though it has to sit for a couple of hours in the fridge, I have to still taste it beforehand to make sure that it doesn't need any more seasonings or anything, you know. That's already really delicious. So I know it's even more delicious after it's sat in the fridge a little bit. If you like this recipe, then check out my blog, MrsHappyHomemaker.com. You can also find me on social media. I'm Mrs. Happy Homemaker on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and Pinterest. And I'm That Housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker, well, it just wouldn't fit.